Welcome to this guided meditation. I'm Yogi Bryan. Find a comfortable place, a comfortable spot. This meditation is rated R, so there's going to be some F-bombs. But find a place where your body can remain still and a place that's quiet. You don't have to build a shrine or get all fancy like me here. Just find a place you can sit on a chair, a meditation cushion, or you can lay the fuck down on your back. Find your place. And then close your fucking eyes. And pay attention to your breath. Your natural breath you've been breathing all your life. Don't overthink this shit. Just breathe. You can breathe in and out through the mouth or in and out through the nose. Bring your awareness, bring your attention to your breath. And give yourself permission to relax. Tell yourself, I will relax. I will relax. Now bring your attention to your body. Take a scan of your body all the way from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. Scan the fucking body. Find any tension in the body. Pinpoint that tension and release that fucking tension. Each and every breath you take, you relax more and more. And allow your mind to be. Allow your thoughts to roll in and roll the fuck out. Just observe your thoughts. Pay attention to the thoughts. Just like you're watching a movie. Be the observer. Be the witness. Nothing to fucking do or control. Just watch your thoughts. Now I want you to think, I want you to feel any unnecessary fucks that you feel. Maybe it's a situation, maybe it's a family member, maybe it's a fucked up boyfriend or girlfriend or husband or wife. Think of a situation, feel these unnecessary fucks, and notice where in the body you feel these fucks. In your mind's eye, point to where in the body you feel this stuck energy, these stuck fucks, this ickiness, this shittiness. Where in your body do you feel it? And as you feel it in your body, you start to notice a color coming from your body, coming from these fucks. It could be any color, multiple colors. See this color in your mind's eye and feel it in your body. See this color, feel this color. Now I want you to visualize pulling this fucking color out of your body with your hands. Pull these fucks, this color, out of your body with your hands. And as you pull it out of your body, does the color stay the same or does it change? Does it make a sound? Does it have a smell? Pull this fucking color out of your body and shape it into a ball. Shape it into a ball. With your hands, see this color, feel this color. These are your fucks right here. And we're going to get rid of them soon. Hold this ball of fucks, this color. And in your mind's eye, I want you to turn around and you see a fucking fire. A warm ass fire. And you feel the heat on your body. You're feeling hot. And take this ball of fucks and toss it in the fire. And you see this ball of fucks melt in this fire. And you feel in your body a sense of relief. Because all your fucks are gone. All your fucks are melted, burned in the fire. You feel a sense of ease. You feel it's easier to breathe. Feels so good. Feel it in your body. Feel this sense of ease, this sense of calmness, this sense of release. Feel it in your body. Feels so good. Whenever you're ready, take some movements with the fingers, movements with the toes. And if you're laying down on your back, slowly make your way to an easy seat with your legs crossed, spine straight, chin slightly tucked. If you're already seated, bring your hands to heart center, eyes come open. Give yourself a fucking smile here. Smile, like nice and cheesy smiles. There you go. You feel so good. You released all your fucks. Thank you so much for meditating with me today. Namaste. Nama-fucking-stay. If you like this meditation, hit that like button. Subscribe. Tell all your fucking friends. Yes, do it. I would appreciate that. And send in much love from my heart through that screen right to your fucking heart. Love y'all.